And hello, this is Miami CO Indiana. Just going to give you a quick way you can hook up an external mic to your iPhone. This would be for the iPhone X or later, so the iPhone 10, 11, or 12 as of this taping. iPhones 8 and before did include the 3.5mm jack that you could plug in that directly into your phone. But the iPhone X and on do not include that jack on the phone. There's no jack to plug that in. So all you have to have is an adapter called the Lightning to 3.5mm headphone jack adapter. This is in the iPhone box if you have a 10. Your earpods are on one side, you flip it over, and that is the Lightning to 3.5mm headphone jack adapter. And that's what you're going to use. So you're going to take that off. You take the adapter, the round part there, you're just going to plug in. Make sure it clicks and is secure. Now you have the adapter that you need, that you're going to plug right into the port where you normally would charge your phone, like that. So now when you go to shoot a video, instead of using the built-in microphones on your iPhone, you'll be using the one you plugged in. I'm just using, it's just all coiled up, has a very long cord. This is the U-mic, which really works good to do blogs or if you're shooting video. Right now I'm recording using my Sony camera, which really has a pretty good built-in mic. The iPhone though, the volume's just not loud enough, is why I like and prefer using an external mic. And the U-mic, I will tell you, is a really good microphone. Now, to get that adapter, if you don't have it, let's say you have an iPhone 10 but you lost the adapter or don't have the box anymore, or the new phones may not even include it, I'm not sure, but I've been told. I don't think the 12s even have that adapter included, this adapter that you need. It's just fine, just go to the Apple Store and look and just do a search under adapters, it'll bring it up. Lightning to 3.5mm adapter, jack adapter is what you need. So you can run headphones with the 3.5mm jack, or you can run external mics that also have this style of jack, and it works just perfect. There's no settings to do, you just plug it in, the phone knows that you have it plugged in, and it will use your external mic instead of the built-in mic on your phone. So I hope this is helpful to someone. This is Miami CO Indiana. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, I really would appreciate it. Or if you like the video, give it a like. And I hope you have a great day. So long, everyone.